Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Gerald Angkamamangke, student of Manado State of Polytechnic majoring in electrical engineering in informatics study program, and I will explain the website along with its history and function. Okay, let's start. What is web browser? Web browser is an software application for retrieving, presenting, and transferring information resource on the World Wide Web, and information resource identified by a uniform resource identifier or URI, and may be a web page, image, video, or other piece of content. A web browser can also be benefited of an application software of program design and enable user to access, review, and view documents and other resources on the internet. The major web browsers are Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Opera, and Safari. Web browser. The first web browser was invented in 1990 by Tim Berners-Lee. It was called World Wide Web, and was renamed Nexus in 1993. Browser software was further innovated by Mark Anderson with the release of Mosaic, the world's first popular browser, which makes the World Wide Web system easy to use and more accessible to the average person. Anderson browsers sparked the internet boom of the 1990. The introduction of NCSA Mosaic web browser in 1993 of the first graphical web browser led to an explosion in web use, named Netscape, and release of the Mosaic included Netscape Navigator in 1994, become the popular web browser. Microsoft responded and Internet Explorer in 1995, the industry first web browser bundle with Windows. Internet Explorer gained dominance in the web browser market. Opera debuted 1996. In 1994, Netscape launched to become Mozilla Foundation and advocate to products of competitive browsers using the open source software model. The web browser evolved into Firefox. Following will still in the beta stage of development and release of Firefox 1.0. Apple Safari has first beta release in January 2003, and April 2011 dominant share of Apple-based web browsing. The most recent major extend the web browser market in Google Chrome release in September 2008. Chrome take-up has increased significantly year-on-year. In December 2011, Google Chrome overtook Internet Explorer 8, the most widely used web browser. However, when our version of Internet Explorer are put together, Internet Explorer is still most popular. Function. The primary purpose of web browser is to bring information resource to the user. The process begins when the user input a uniform resource locator or URL, the prefix of the URL, the uniform resource identifier or URI. The most commonly used kind of URI start with HTTP and identified a resource to be retrieved of Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Aside from HTML, web browser can generally display any kind of content that can be part of a web page. Most browsers can display image, audio, video, and XML files, and others have plug explanation. Thank you.